Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today it was kind of noisy, so I decided to do a voiceover. But basically, if you look here, these are the blueprints I'm using to work upstairs on the 4th floor. And my finger is tracing out all the pipe that I laid today, which I will be showing you here momentarily. That's what I did today. And here we go. And I'm also trying the new voiceover on the iMovie on my phone, so that's cool. But anyways, here's the pipe and boxes I was laying today, which is for the lighting and the HVAC, which will be mounted on the ceiling. So just pretty basic, just going, I think it was a foot off of the wall here, and then mounting boxes, and had to offset or 4-point saddle underneath the beams because the cross members or the valleys in the ceiling changed direction, so or I had to go opposite of them, but once I turned the corner right here, I could just go through them, so I could go above the beams, which was nice. And then I also bent the 4 other sticks of pipe that are not in this video for going under these 2 beams right here, so I'll be putting those up in the morning. And yeah. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video, thanks for stopping by. Sorry for the unicorn hair. I'm not gonna apologize because it is what it is, but anyways. So appreciate you guys for watching, and I will try to give you like a little tour upstairs on the 4th floor, maybe tomorrow or Friday after work, since we'll be leaving a little bit earlier since we've been working a few extra hours this week, so we'll be leaving early on Friday, so I'll have some extra time I can just hang out and give you guys a little tour hopefully, and then we'll see how the house goes the next few days, maybe give you some more house videos. But I did record a pipe bending video. I know a lot of people have been asking about pipe bending videos, so I'll just have to edit through that real quick. I don't know if I'll get to that tonight or not, but I have the footage on my phone, so if that's something you're interested in, make sure to stop back on by. Anyways guys, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. Hope to see you guys back here tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check out the description for anything else down below. And also drop a comment if you got anything to say or want to say something. And click the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys. Peace out.